So this is a bar model addition. Now this is to prepare to understand the bar model. So we're going to do the first thing. I have 4 pens, right? And I have 2 more pens. So I had 4 pens, and then maybe my friend gave me 2 pens to me. So how many pens are there altogether? I know it's simple. So bar model is going to have, this is the pens I had first. I had 4 pens, right? Then I had 2 more pens. Now the important part is, this is 4 and this is 2. 2 should be smaller than 4. This helps. So 4 and a 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. As simple as. So I'm going to give you a quick question. Ready? So I found 5 kangaroos in my garden. This is Australia. It happens sometimes, I guess. Then 2 more kangaroos came into the garden afterwards. Should I just draw a kangaroo too? So there you go. Kangaroo. Now, how many kangaroos are there altogether in my garden? I know it's simple. That we're practicing the bar model. Can you draw a bar model in your book on a piece of paper? Let's quickly pause the video. How did you go? So let's do this. 5 kangaroos. Oh, I should make, that's okay, that's 5. Then I have 2 more kangaroos. So 2 should be smaller than this. 2. If I add 5, then 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. How did you go? Simple. I'm going to give you more. Ready? This time it's going to be slightly harder because I'll show you. Let's see, what should I have? I have pencils. I have pencils. I have 4 red pencils. Or should I use red? How about I have 4 blue pencils. I have 3 orange pencils. Then I have 2 black pencils. How many pencils do I have altogether? Let's quickly draw a bar model right here. Okay, so let's do this. I have 4 blue. 4. Then I have 3 orange. So it has to be small, should be smaller than this. 3. Then I have 2 black pencils. 2. So if I add them all together, 4, then 3, then 2, 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 9. So simple, hopefully. How did you go? I'm going to give you a slightly harder question. Let's say it's April. I have pocket money, and in April, I spent $15 on food. I spent $20 on transport. Maybe I used a bus to go somewhere. I spent $10 on a present. My friend had a birthday party, I guess. Then I saved $5. Right? So the question is, how much did I spend? Oops, how much did I spend? That's the first question. Would you like to have a go? Can you draw a bar model of how much did I spend? So I didn't spend this. This is just saving money. So let's pause the video. Next question is this. How much is my pocket money? How much do I get every month? My pocket money. I spent $15 for food, $20 on transport, $10 on a present, and I saved $5 after that. How much do I actually receive every month? And last question. My dear grandma gave me $20 at the beginning of the next month in May. So my grandma suddenly decided to give me a big heart for grandma, $20. Now, how much can I spend in May? So my pocket money altogether next month. So this April was this much. In May, I can have extra 20. Can you make a bar model? So I'm going to quickly draw a bar model for you. How much did I spend? I spent $15 to start with. Then $20, it's a bit more than 15, so that's 15. Then a 20, then $10 on a present, right? So if I go 15 plus 20 plus 10, that is, I can go 10 and 20 first, that's 30, then 45. That's $45. I spent $45, right? Then my pocket money, I saved $5 on top of that. That's 5. And I know I spent $45. So that's 45 plus 5, that's $50. My pocket money is $50. I'll be happy with that. Now, my pocket money in May, my dear grandma gave me $20 the beginning of May. So my pocket money was usually 50, but my grandma gave me extra $20. So I can add 20. So $50 plus $20, it's 70. How did you go with the bar model? Not yet. I'm going to give you more questions. Okay. I have a shop. My shop sells pens, right? I have in the shop front, I have 20 blue pens and 20 orange pens, and of course 20 black pens. Now, you know that shops have storage, but in my storage I have 40 pens hiding behind the door. And also where I have 25 orange pens in the storage. Also, I have 22 black pens in storage. So this is storage, right? Question 1. Question is, how many red pens do I have? Oh, sorry, how many blue pens do I have? I should use blue, right? How many blue pens? I could pause the video. Can you make a bar model? Now, next question is, how many pens are there in the storage here? How many pens in the storage? Oops. Yeah. Next question, how many pens are there altogether? How many pens altogether? I have 3 questions. So I can do this right here. I think 20 blue pens in the shop, 40 in the storage, 20, then 40 should be 60. We're just fitting. Orange. Oh, I have to find how many pens in storage altogether. So I get 14, 20, 22 in the bar. So I'll do that. 40, 25, and 20. So that's 40 plus 25 and 20. I can put these two together maybe. That's 60, 70, 80, 85. Now, all together, that is a tricky one. Maybe I should, with that storage, right? So if I know how many in the shops, let's find how many pens there are in the shop. So 20, 20, and 20. That's what's in the shops. So that's 20, 20, and 20. That's 60. If I know that, I can put the how many pens in the shops and how many in the storage together. All together in the shop I have 60. In the storage I have 85. So that's the bar model. So 60 plus 85 is, did you get the answer? That's 145. Last question for you. Are you ready? We're going to go to theme park. So the tickets are $15 for adults, and we have to pay $8 for kids, right? Every adult we have to pay $15. Every child we have to pay $8. How about family of 4? So let's see. So let's say I have mum and 3 kids going to this theme park. How much does this cost? How about dad decide to bring a child and his or her friends, 2 friends of this child? How much is it? How about 3 adults and 3 kids. Now, I'll not do every single thing, but I will do this first. And possibly you know why the reason is. So, I have Mum. She's an adult, so she needs to pay $15. And the kids, $8. Second kids, a third kid, so 8, 8, then 8. So this is what I have to do. So 15, 8, and 8, then 8. Now, if you are good at multiplication, you may be able to do 3 8s here, or we can just add 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 8 is 24. So 15 and 24. Are you doing this in your head? That's 39. So $39. Now, have you realized this is exactly the same? So that's dad and a child and 2 friends. So if you draw a bar model, you could clearly see that's exactly the same. That's $15 for dad. His child is $8. Then 2 friends. Also, that's 2 lots of 8s. So that's exactly the same. So that's $39. This is also $39. Then you may have realized 3 kids are already here. I need to add 2 more adults here. I will leave that to you. Hope you enjoyed the bar model.